Z-scores can be used to compare data from different normal distributions by converting distributions to the standard normal distribution. Alright, so we've got Tony's midterm marks together with the class mean and the standard deviation. What we want to find out is, compared to the class, which test did Tony do best in? By first glance, it looks like he did the best in chemistry. However, of course, what we're talking about is how well did he do compared to the rest of the class. And so we're going to have to compare this a little bit. Let's start off with mathematics. So we're going to use the z-score formula, which is z is equal to the data point minus your mean, all divided by your standard deviation. Alright, so for math, what you're going to have is z is equal to 74 minus 68, all divided by 12. And when you work that out, what you're going to end up with is a z-score of 0.5. On the other hand, we have chemistry. So chemistry is going to be 79 minus a class average of 73, all divided by 14. When you work that one out, chemistry is going to be at 0.43. Last but not least, we have physics. And so to calculate that out, we have Tony's mark, which is 68, minus 66 over a standard deviation of 11. When you work out Tony's mark, it's going to be 0.18. So taking a look at these z-scores, what did they mean? Well, this is saying that Tony is half of a standard deviation above the class average. This one's saying he's 0.43 standard deviations above the class average, and in physics he's at 0.18 standard deviations above the class average. So, in the grand scheme of things, it looks like Tony did better in chemistry, but if you compare him to the rest of the class, he did better in math because he's 0.5 standard deviations above the mean.